Bonjour, today we are going to practice our group 2 French verbs like finir or obéir. Okay, before we start with our practice, okay, you must have a few rules. Again, it might be a reminder to you, it might be new to you, I'm not sure. What you have to understand is that in French we have 3 groups of verbs. The first 2 are regular verbs. That means they are going to follow a certain pattern when we are going to conjugate them. Today we will concentrate on the group 2, the IR verbs, in the present tense. Now, the second group includes regular verbs which meet 2 criteria. They end in IR in the infinitive form and they have a present participle in issant. For example, finir, to finish, will become finissant, finishing in its present participle. Now, IR verbs belonging to the second group are, for example, accomplir, to accomplish, bâtir, to build, choisir, to choose, grandir, to grow, finir, to finish, and they are all regular, which means that they conjugate following a certain pattern. Now I'm going to show you this pattern, okay? All you have to do is remove the infinitive ending, in this case IR, in order to find the stem and add the appropriate endings to the stem. For je, it is I-is. For tu, it is I-is. For il, elle, and on, it is I-it. For nous, it is ils sont. For vous, it is issez. For il and elle, it is is. And this is where the ending issant comes from, okay? It is very specific to the second group verbs, okay? The third group verb that may end in IR will not be conjugated like that at all. So I would advise you to learn a list of IR verbs in the second group, okay? About 15 of them, so you know, and there are not that many, so you know that these verbs will always be conjugated the same way. Let's have a look at finir, for example, and conjugate finir according to the endings I've just told you. So if we wanted to say I finish, remember we are doing the present tense, then we drop the IR of finir into its infinitive form, and then we add IS. Je finis, I finish, finish, I finish, or I am finishing. Tu finis, IS. Il finit, so we drop IR, we add IT. And by the way, the sound I is the same as je and tu, but the spelling is different. Il finit, elle finit, on finit. Now, when it changes completely is the nous version. Nous finissons. Can you see that? Ils is the ending of the group 2 verbs, okay, in the present tense. Nous finissons, we finish. Vous finissez, you finish. Ils finissent, elles finissent. And that means they finish. So what I'm going to do here for a little while, I'm going to keep the table here below, okay, while we do our exercise. So you've got a reminder of what the endings are, okay? And I may remove it after a while. So you're getting used to trying to practice it on your own. Okay. Let's have a look at my sentences here. We want to transform the infinitive verb, which you see in bracket here, into the conjugated version in the present tense. Now remember, they're all IR verbs and therefore all conjugated the same way. Les enfants, and then the verb is grandir vite. Now, les enfants are the children. Grandir means to grow, and vite is quickly. So basically, we want to say the children are growing fast. Okay, how are we going to conjugate grandir? Now, what we need to do is first of all drop IR, like I said. Okay, we've dropped IR, but we need to put the right ending. So you've got it here in front of you. What ending should it be? ils sont, is. What should it be? Now, the difficulty here is to know what les enfants are. Are they je, as in I, tu, you, nous, we, or vous, or are they? Well, in this case, you replace les enfants, the children are growing quickly. It is they. So they in French is il. And what is the ending for il? It is grandissent. Can you see that? Les enfants grandissent vite. Ils grandissent vite. Okay, I would like you to try to do the next one. Numéro 2. Nous, and the verb we want is choisir, to choose. Les meilleurs films, the best films. So we choose the best films. Now we would like to transform choisir into the present form for nous. Now have a look at your endings. We drop IR. And what is the ending for nous? It is ils sont. Well done. So all we have to do is add ils sont. Nous choisissons les meilleurs films. We are choosing the best film. Well done here. Numéro 3. Tom et Alice. Okay, the verb we want is agir. Agir means to act. So, to act. Okay. Vite pour trouver une solution. Now, vite, we've got vite here on the top and we've got vite here. That means quickly. Okay. Tom et Alice, and then agir. We don't know how to conjugate that yet. Vite, quickly, to find a solution. Trouver is to find, okay? So, how do you conjugate agir? Now, knowing that we drop IR, what is the ending for Tom et Alice? What is the subject pronoun? Is it je, tu, il, elle, nous, vous, il, elle? Always think of that in order to find the right ending. Well, because it's Tom et Alice, Tom and Alice, it is like les enfants at the beginning. It is il, okay? It is not elle, it is il because Tom is a boy, Alice is a girl, okay? So we've got to take il. Now, il, what is the ending? Have a look. It's is. Well done. So it is agissent, and we've got it at the beginning here. We've got it here again. So, Tom et Alice agissent vite pour trouver une solution. Numéro 4. Now, the verb is convertir. Convertir, to convert, okay? Est-ce que vous convertir les dollars en euros? Okay, so this is a question. Est-ce que, do you convert dollars to euros, okay? Convert dollars to euros, okay? Now, how do we conjugate convertir knowing that the subject pronoun is vous? Well, that shouldn't be too hard. You've got it here. What is it? Yes, well done. Now, if I look at the beginning and the stem of that verb is convert, and then the ending for vous, it's ici. Very good, very, very good. So, est-ce que vous convertissez, bravo, les dollars en euros? Très bien. Alors, let's have a look at the next one. One, or we. Now, the verb is bâtir. Bâtir means to build. Bâtir. De nombreux bureaux dans ce quartier. Now, we, or one, is building a lot of offices in this area, neighborhood, quartier. Okay, so bureau is office and quartier is area. Okay, what is the ending for on? Now, again, follow that. Bat is the stem, and we want the ending for on, which is, it's the same as il, the same as elle, it's it. So, on bâtit. On bâtit de nombreux bureaux dans ce quartier. D'accord? On bâtit. Okay? Il bâtit, elle bâtit. Okay? Now, let's have a look at the next one. Tom et toi And the verb is accomplir. Accomplir. Now that sounds very much like accomplish, yeah? Which is the right translation. De grandes choses, many things, big things. Tom, did I say Tom? Ton frère, I mean your brother. Ton frère et toi accomplir de grandes choses. So, ton frère is your brother and you. So, it's your brother and you. So, think about the subject pronoun here. And the verb is accomplir. But we want only the beginning of it. Accompli. Okay? Now, if ton frère et toi was replaced by a subject pronoun, which one would it be? Would it be je, tu, il, elle, nous, vous, il, elle? Well, it would certainly be your brother and you, okay? So it is vous, okay? So vous accomplissez, okay? It is not nous because it would have been ton frère et moi, okay? But it's not me. I'm not in the group. You are, okay? Can you see that? So, ton frère et toi accomplissez de grandes choses. So you accomplish big things. Okay, what I'd like you to do now, well, no, I'm going to do it for you. I'm going to make this little help down below disappear. Bing! Okay, this is gone. So we do not have something to look at when we are going to do the next four. So here we go. Je remplir une bouteille d'eau. Now, remplir is to fill up, okay, to fill up. But we want to say, I fill up a bottle of water, une bouteille d'eau. Now, rempli, like that. What is the ending for je? Now, maybe you can't remember because I've removed the table for you, but what was the ending? It's quite simply the je, tu, il, elle, on all have the same pronunciation. It is I. But is it an S or is it a T? For je, always an S. For tu, always an S. Okay? For the rest, it's a T. So, je remplis une bouteille d'eau. Très bien. What about mes amis et moi? And then the word is finir nos devoirs. My friends and I, okay, and I finish or are finishing our homework, nos devoirs. Now we know that the stem is fin, but what is the ending when referring to mes amis et moi? What is the subject pronoun? My friends and I. Is it I? No, because my friends are with it. Tu, is it you? No, because we're not talking about you guys. Okay, is it he or she? Absolutely not. Is it we? Ah, yes, because we are talking about my friends and I. So we are in it. So knowing that the subject pronoun is we, so therefore nous in French, the ending is ils sont. Nous finissons. Okay? Très bien. Now, the last two, actually, I'm sure you must think, oh, that's hard, but I'm learning. Now, tu, the verb is désobéir, to disobey. À tes parents. So, you are disobeying your parents. You're not listening, okay? So, désobéir, we need to get rid of the IR. Désobé. And then for tu, what is the ending? It is IS. Tu désobéis à tes parents. You are disobeying your parents. You're not listening. Okay, this one was easy because obviously tu was already given. So if you remember the endings, you know, drop IR, put that ending. Numéro 10, le chat. Le chat bondir sur la table. Now, bondir means to jump on the table. Il bondir, okay? Now, knowing that bondir as bond, what is the ending for le chat? Le chat, le chat, ok? Bondit IT sur la table. So why is it IT? Because le chat is il. He, okay? Il. Le chat bondit sur la table. And for il, the ending is IT. When conjugating a second group verb in the present tense. Okay, that's it for me. There is a very useful support guide available if you join my community on Learn French with Alexa, the YouTube channel. Subscribe and leave a comment, please. Au revoir, à bientôt. Bisous, bisous.